Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Arif Aqil Bizabani, student ID 2023671824, semester 1, intake October 2023, program CEEH750. My main supervisor is Dr. Harumi Beni, and my research title is Organic Waste as Potential Catalyst for Biodiesel Synthesis and Efficiency of Resulting Biodiesel in a Diesel Engine. Rapid world population growth and urbanization is a concerned matter on energy security in a global scale. The use of conventional energy sources, including fossil fuel, has long been known as not environmentally friendly. This issue, added with concern in future energy security, has made the demand in biodiesel grown in the last few decades. When compared to conventional petrol diesel, biodiesel theoretically has lower sulfur content, which would reduce the emission of gases such as sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, carbon dioxide, and particulates that are hazardous to human and the environment. Biodiesel can be produced from the reaction of triglycerides and methyl acetate with the aid of catalysts made from either chemical, biological, or organic compound. The figure below shows the reaction mechanics of the reaction. The use of a homogeneous catalyst can cause drawbacks, especially during downstream processing with sulfurification and glycerol synthesis as byproduct. Catalysts can be derived from a natural biological source, either from plant or animal, with little to no chemical adjustment, which can contribute to less carbon emission as the feedstock are produced from biological process. Organic waste such as mango peel, banana peel, orange peel, and eggshell have the potential as biodiesel catalysts due to the presence of minerals such as potassium and calcium. The performance of biodiesel can be determined by comparing parameters such as engine power, specific fuel consumption, thermal efficiency, and gas emission. The first problem statement for our research is current heterogeneous catalysts derived from chemicals such as calcium oxide and potassium oxide neither sustainable or nor environmentally benign. Next, there are currently a lack of study on biodiesel synthesis using catalysts from organic waste, specifically using blend of mango peel and eggshell. Identifying the optimal calcination condition is very necessary for the catalyst to be used in the biodiesel synthesis. Next, the composition of mango peel and eggshell must be identified to understand their potential as biodiesel catalysts. Lastly, there are lack of reported study on the biodiesel performance when used in conventional diesel engine. There are three main objectives in this study. Firstly, to determine the effective calcination time, temperature, and ratio between mango peel and eggshell as catalysts in transesterification of waste cooking oil for biodiesel production. Next, to determine the optimum molar ratio of methyl acetate to waste cooking oil, weight percentage of catalyst, reaction time, and agitation rate in transesterification reaction for biodiesel production using mango peel and eggshell as catalysts. Finally, to determine the performance and efficiency of the biodiesel produced in the study in various blends on a diesel engine. The scope of this study is, this study will cover the calcination temperature and time for the waste mango peel and eggshell to produce catalysts from organic waste. The synthesis of biodiesel from the transesterification process will focus on molar ratio of methyl acetate to waste cooking oil, reaction time, agitation rate, and weight percentage of catalyst. The performance of diesel engine will then be tested using the produced biodiesel with the most desirable characteristic in different blends and will include the measurement of engine power, specific fuel consumption, thermal efficiency, and gas emission such as carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, and nitrogen oxides. This is the overall flowchart of methodology for this study. In this semester, we have established two methodology, which is how to determine the optimal temperature and duration for calcination process. Next is the Gantt chart. This is the current status of thesis writing. For next semester, we are planning to identify the optimum duration for calcination process and perform tense esterification process using the produced catalyst.